Hello, I'm Tony. I'm the tower clock repair expert. So what is a tower clock? A tower clock is a clock that can be seen from the sidewalk. It could be mounted on a public building, like such as City Hall. It might be on a strip mall, but also in that category are post clocks. Post clocks, as the name implies, are typically on the sidewalk, on a post, but they can be mounted to the side of the building. Now here in the western United States, almost all our tower clocks are electrically operated systems, either minute impulse or synchronous motor systems. So let's go to the workshop for a demonstration. I go to lots of sites, and this is a type of controller that was installed in the 60s, 70s and 80s. It's a simple switch, off, on and fast forward. But whenever you have daylight savings time or power failures, you have to go and reset your clock. Let me come in and install a modern type of controller for you. It takes care of daylight savings. It knows what time it was if we have a power failures and re-establishes the clock. So if you're having trouble with your tower clock, please give us a call. We'd like to help. We have competitive rates, and with over 30 years of experience, I'm the right man for the job.